My name is Higgs and this is my friend Boson. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Boson?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, Description of a New and Widely Distributed Species of Bathypathes, Cnidaria, Anthozoa, Antipatharia, Schizopathidae, previously misidentified as Bathypathes alternata Brook, 1889. Corals, including black corals, are key components of hard substrate ecosystems in the deep sea. Black corals are known to be an important habitat for a diverse range of organisms, providing food, shelter, nurseries and breeding grounds for a number of organisms, thus enhancing biodiversity in the deep sea. Being slow-growing and expected to have slow rates of repopulation, black corals are primary indicator species for deep-sea vulnerable marine ecosystems, including those associated with deep-sea mineral resources such as cobalt-rich crusts and polymetallic nodules.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. For a number of years, two species of Antipatharian corals of the family Schizopathidae have been reported in the literature under the name Bathypathes alternata Brook, 1889, due to the superficially similar appearance of their corallum. This new species is rather common at mid and lower bathyal depths of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans, often in areas with high concentrations of commercially valuable cobalt-rich ferromanganese crusts. Under the name B. alternata, this species is recorded in several inventories and databases.
That is so intriguing, Boson. There is an urgent need for a formal description of this misidentified and widely distributed species to avoid further confusion, which is the purpose of this study. The new species is superficially similar to A. alternata, in having a monopodial corallum and simple bilateral and alternately arranged pinnules. However, it differs from the former in that it has an upright corallum with a straight pinnulated part, pinnules of uniform length and density, and a constant distal angle formed by the pinnules and the stem along different parts of the corallum. The new species can therefore be easily distinguished from A. alternata in underwater imagery.
The researchers formally describe this new species in the genus Bathypathes and assign it the new name B. pseudalternata. To evaluate the distributional patterns of the new species, the researchers review the geographic distribution of Antipatharians reported below 800 meters. The researchers demonstrated a critical need for local faunal reviews of deep-sea black corals. Existing data on the distribution of the deep-sea black corals are critically scarce, uneven and reflect sampling effort, thereby masking actual distribution patterns.
Great point, Boson. The researchers propose that finding of a new species of black coral, which creates habitat for various other associated species and is likely slow-growing, indicates that areas where it occurs should be avoided by extractive industries, particularly seabed mining. That was an interesting paper providing overview of a new coral species. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.